Minister of State for Power, Goddy Agba, has commissioned a 12-kilowatt Volsus solar mini-grid for health centers with a 50-kilowatt battery power bank. This is coming at a period when Nigeria is battling to flatten the COVID-19 transmission curve and to completely eradicate it. The federal government is supporting critical initiatives towards these goals, as reliable power supply is essential across health facilities to increase their work pace. Correspondent habidah lawal reports.
The first wave of mini-grids in Nigeria were grant-funded by international organizations like the World Bank. The market has gradually become more commercial in the last decade, but the high cost of mini-grids means there's still a reliance on donor funding. This year, as a result of the coronavirus public health crisis, a 2.3 trillion naira fund was created for the Economic Sustainability Plan and is being coordinated by the Office of the Vice President, Yemi Osinbajo. It will also provide solar home systems to 5 million homes across unserved rural communities in Nigeria. Healthcare centers have been neglected when it comes to electricity. Primary health centers are critical facilities in rural communities as they are the first sign of government effort in providing sustainable health to its people.
Many grids have been provided over the countries. We have one an exemplary one that we provided in a community in Niger State called Rogota. This one today is more special because the primary health care is the basic first center of what we call first aid for our communities.
It has been ensured by our teams to be of world standard. The components of this mini-grid facility consist of arrays of solar panels that can generate up to 12 kilowatt peak of electricity, with the battery bank capable of providing 24 hours electricity that could last up to 58 hours.
Through mini-grid projects, the Rural Electrification Agency says it will provide clean, safe, reliable and affordable electricity to 300,000 homes and 30,000 local businesses.
We're looking to see how they can continue to grow the mini-grid network that we have, where companies like Volsus Energy could take over those facilities where they will act as anchor load for us to be able to grow the mini-grids and supply power to the rest of the community.
Recent surveys across some rural communities have shown that the rural dwellers are more likely to pay their electricity bills, unlike those in urban areas where power operators tackle challenges of energy theft and meter bypass. In the wake of the coronavirus public health crisis, the federal government had directed that uninterrupted power supply be provided to foremost isolation centers and NCDC laboratories in Lagos, Ogun and Abuja. Habidah Lawal, TVC News, Abuja.